Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome to my channel. So today we'll discuss about one more company called Swaraj Engines. We'll discuss the fundamentals, we'll discuss the business, understand what kind of opportunity we have from sector perspective, and then we'll analyze the technical chart and we'll see what kind of target we have from chart perspective. So we'll get into all the details, but before I discuss that part, it's a request to you that if you have not subscribed to my channel and if you like our content, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget the bell icon. And also share it with your friends so that we can all together create a community and we all can understand and earn money from the stock market. Second thing, none of the videos in this channel are recommendations. So please do your own research before investing. Understand the business before making any investment and then decide whether you want to buy it or not. Now let's get the ball rolling and understand what Swaraj Enterprise does. The Swaraj Enterprise is into manufacturing of diesel engines. So if you see, the company is 1989 established and 871 crores of turnover, 800 plus employees, and they have sold more than 10 lakh engines. So this is the important part. The important part is that it's a part of Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. So this company was established in 1989. That time it was a joint venture between Punjab Tractors Limited and Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited. Later on, I guess in 1995, the Punjab Tractors Limited, the part of Punjab Tractors Limited was taken up by Mahindra and Mahindra, and then it became a joint venture between Mahindra and Mahindra and Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited. So Cell means Swaraj Engines Limited. Cell is into manufacturing supply of diesel engines to tractors. So now we all know how good Mahindra is when it comes to selling tractors. What kind of market share Mahindra has when it comes to selling tractors. First thing, this company is backed by Mahindra and Mahindra. Second important part is that the agriculture economy in the country is growing and supported by government, startups, and also good monsoon coming up in last few years to India. So these three factors are supporting the tractor market, and when a tractor is getting sold, definitely a good chunk of tractors getting sold from Mahindra and Mahindra, and when that is happening, track engines from this particular company are going to be in demand. So it's a chain reaction. So the sector gives a push to Mahindra and Mahindra tractors give a push to Swaraj Engines, and that is the reason this particular stock is going to see a up move in the future because of the entire relation between the demand and supply. From the company perspective, this company is also doing innovation. They are working on different kind of upcoming engines. So they are trying to keep up with different kind of innovations. They are trying to work with government where they comply all the different requirements. So if you see from this thing, they are upgrading to engines to meet TREM 4 emission norms. They are working on development and commercialization of four-wheel drive variants of 60 HP and 40 to 50 HP engines. They are working on 65 HP turbocharged engine. Okay, and they are development of four-wheel drive variants of 20-30 HP engines. So this kind of things, their company already in progress. So they know the demand, they know the backing of a good company like Mahindra, and they have a good market, and they are also working on getting more and more engines out, making getting a good hold of the entire diesel engine market for tractors. So this company is doing good in terms of that. It's a small cap company, and this company has not diversified into a lot of things. They do only engines and do some kind of components for engines. So the 97% of the revenue comes from engines itself, diesel engines. Only 3% of that comes from the components from engines. So they're like all in all, it's an engine manufacturing company. Now the funny part is that this is also a horrible website which I come across again. So last was DCB Bank. I told it's a bad website. Again I came across a good company, but it's a bad website. Show you how it is bad is click on products engines and it will not go anywhere. It will bring you the same place. If you click on components, it will not go anywhere. It will bring you the same place. I think personally I should contact these companies and get a project from them where I can build a website for them rather than discussing stocks about these companies. That will be more beneficial to me, it looks like. Right. So that is the other part, but since that is a scenario, I cannot give you more information about what they do and how the different kind of engines they work. So that was the only brief information where I could get. Now if you go to fundamentals of this company, fundamentally this company is a small cap company. As I told you, stock is quite good, 20.2, but ROC and ROE is very attractive. So that's the most attractive part of what for me. ROC is 48.2, ROE is 35.8. That's a very good numbers. Second part is the debt equity ratio. It's a completely debt free company, and that's a very good part. Very few auto component companies are there right now which are debt free companies, and this is one of them. It's completely debt free, and it has a good profit of 92.5 crore they have registered in last annually. So that's a good good profit in terms of their size. Debt equity ratio also 0.0, is like completely debt free company. Now if you see the growth, so growth wise, quarterly results they have done quite good in the last 4 quarters: 117 crores, 292 crores, 272 crores, 305 crores. So that's a good numbers in the last 4 quarters. It's supported by the good monsoon and good sales in tractors, and this is going to continue because this is same thing is going to repeat this year also. Everything is repeating whatever happened last year, and it's logically correct also. It's not like it's happening just by luck. It's logically correct because of everything happening in the country and kind of push we are giving to agri economy in the country. So that's correct. It's a good direction. Second, you see last 4 years, 771 crores, 872 crores, then dipped in March 2020 because of obviously because of lockdown, and sales of tractor is reduced because of which engines reduced. But again, they pulled back in 2021 and the sales crossed 97 crores, which they have never done before. And I'm quite sure March 2022 will be better than this again for the same reasons. So it's a good growth for this company. Same goes for net profit also. 80, 82, 70, 71 dipped in March 2020, same reason, and then 93 is the net profit in 2021. This is again highest ever they have done. So this is a very good growing company right now and a good opportunity in terms of fundamentals also. Towards shareholding pattern, the promoters have 52.16% stake, and FIIs has some and DIs has some. You go to public has close 35.83. If you reduce these people, then probably around 30, 34, 33% is there with the public. So that's a decent amount of holding. So fundamentally, this company looks good. The more interesting part is the business. One interesting thing to see the PE ratio median. So PE ratio median of this company is 26.3, and the current PE is close to 20. So there is a, from the PE perspective also, there is headroom for growth. Around 25%, 30% headroom is there for growth from PE perspective. So this is also a good option. Now we'll go to technical charts and we'll see what kind of opportunity is there. So I have done it already yesterday for my own investment. So I'll remove the drawing. I'll show you how it works. So this is a very good cup with handle pattern. So if you see from here, this goes somewhere like this. Sorry, this goes somewhere like this. So so this is a very good support which is happening for the company. So resistance for the company. Tried to move out here, move out here, move out here. Crossed here, but again it came down and it's now moved out, but it's kind of resisting or supporting on the same level. So this is the support. This was a resistance first, and now slowly becoming resistance. So this is a price action movement. Second chart is that if you see from this perspective, so it's becoming a inverse head and shoulder. So this is the shoulder, and this goes the head, okay, and this goes the shoulder, and then after this it's making this thing as support. So there are two charts. One is inverse head and shoulder, the other is a price action movement. When these both things are happening, that's a very good point. Third point to note is that there is a good growth in the volume also. If you see the volume, this also increasing from here to here. So it's a good support from three sides, both from chart perspective and also from the volume perspective. Now if you want to see the target, then as usual we do the size of the head becomes the target for the next move. So this is almost the size of the head. We go till the bottom of the charts and then we pull it out and put it here. Okay, and then we'll try to draw a line over here and see what kind of targets we have. So this is what we are looking at. So this is kind of the target what we have. I will push it a little bit further. So this is somewhere which our target is. We see from growth perspective, from current price it goes up to around 48.99%. So this is the kind of target we have from this point, and so this is a good opportunity, and this should not take more time because of the kind of support from charts. I told you three things: price action, and also we have volume support, and also we have some kind of inverse head and shoulder pattern also. And now economy is opening up. Sales of auto and tractors will slowly pick up, and also farmers need tractors to start their farming activities. And also government is giving some kind of loans also to farmers in the COVID second wave also. Our Prime Minister announced some schemes for farmers for different kind of loans, interest-free loans, and he has deferred their payment of EMIs and everything. So those will also support the economy, and tractor is an integral part of this farmers' economy and their progress. And as I told, this company is dependent entirely on that, and the growth and support in that particular phase of the farmers, or particular requirement of the farmers, will indirectly support the growth of this company. So this was it about this company and the opportunity. If you like our content, if you like what we do, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and decide on your own whether you want to make an investment or not. So till then, stay happy, stay safe. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much.